So kids, in this season of Chef Prince, we are going to vacation quick meals. Let's go to the kitchen. So kids, you see I've already chopped my onions, spring onions, sprinkled my salt on the plate and add the seasoning. And I've already boiled my egg. So we'll add a little bit of sausage. Chicken pit is mashed chicken, which look like corned beef. So I'm going to add a little bit of oil in my frying pan, just a little. Don't add too much because we are not cooking a lot. A little. We need the onions for flavoring, guys. We need the onion for flavoring. So I'll just add a little bit, like 2 spoons, guys. We'll add 2 spoons. We add a little 2 spoons. Yes, 2.5 spoons. When we are done, I will make it heat a little bit for a little bit. Yeah. It smells so something. It smells so good. We will add the sausage. We'll add the sausage, a little bit of sausage. It will cook for 3 or 2 minutes. So we'll add 2 spoons. I put a little bit of sausage. So I'm going to just pour everything at once because we don't need small. We don't need small. So I'm adding everything. So it will cook for 2 or 3 minutes. So yes, we added everything and we put it on. Yes. So when we are done, we just mix a little bit. I need to hurry up and mix it nice for 2 or 3 minutes. Yes. Right. And remember, you need to add a little bit of oil. So 2 or 3 minutes. When we are done, we put it here. Have to break it down so it will be nice. Sorry for the noise. We have to break it down. When we are done with the chicken pit, we'll add a little. I love just the flavoring of my tuna fish. So we'll add just a little bit, guys. We'll add a little. That's even too small. Let me add more. Okay, yeah, I think that's good. So I just love the flavoring of the tuna fish. So I think it's little. Oh my god, tuna fish makes it jump up because of the fat in it. It makes it jump up because of the fat. So when we are done, we just need our ginger and garlic to make it flavory and spicy. I know there's pepper here to make spicy, but we need it to make spicy. So we take it, and take it. Yeah. So we'll put it down. When we are done with this, we need to stir it. Yes. The sausage is becoming very brown. It looks so good and delicious. It looks so good and delicious. You guys, you can try it at home. You can try it at home. And it looks so delicious. I can't just wait to eat it, guys. It's just so delicious. So when we are done, let it heat for a little bit time. When we are done, we need to add the what's it called again? The pepper. Yeah, we need to add the pepper. We will not add all of the pepper, but we'll add some. Oh my god, guys, it looks so good. I hope you try at home. Yeah, try at home. It looks so good. I'll add only half of it. Put the rest down and mix it up, guys. And mix it up. Yeah, guys. Like this, my kitchen looking so mix it. It looks so good. like with all the ginger and stuff. Okay, so friends, we are going to make it fry for 5 minutes from this commercial break. Stay tuned. Welcome back, kids. So I think I have to change the spatula because it's making a little bit of noise. So I'm taking this one. I'm taking this spatula, so it will not, so the oil will not be dropping on me. Okay. So all we need to do is put it down here and add it. So I'm mixing it a little bit so it will be nice and thick. Yes. So when we're done, all we need to do is add the seasoning. So I add the seasoning. Yes, add the seasoning. It looks so cool. So I just want you guys to see the seasoning very well. Look at the seasoning. So I'm pouring this seasoning all of the seasoning down. It looks so sumptuous. So when we are done, we just need to add the sauce, guys. A little bit because the seasoning too is salty. So we'll just add like a quarter of it. Okay. Yeah, sorry. So when we are done, we'll put it here and stir it. I just can't wait. Oh, it looks so good, and the smell is the one that is making me feel like eating it in the pan. Okay, so when we are done, we just need to add the onions first. Yes, we need to add the onions. Okay, we need to add the onions. We need to add the onions and all. And when we are done, we mix it fast. Mix it fast. It looks so good. Mix it fast. So when we are done, we'll add the pasta. That's the most important one of the meal. Yeah, we'll add the pasta. Wow! Looks so good. So we need to mix this. Oh my god, it looks so good. Welcome back, kids. This is so good. I just stirred it right now. So we need the pasta to look beautiful and colorful. So we are going to add my spring onions that I chopped myself inside to make it colorful and beautiful. So adding the spring onions. It's so white and green. I like green. Is my favorite color. Add. Okay. So we just need to mix it. Look, it looks beautiful, even in the middle. But I need to mix it to make it better. Oh my god, it looks like yeah, in a Chinese restaurant. It looks like you're in a Chinese restaurant and they are making some food. Okay, when we're done. So it looks so beautiful. I'm going to tell my uncle to taste it. My uncle that's around to taste it to check if it's beautiful and delicious. But I'm saying it's delicious. After this break, I will call my uncle. Stay tuned. We are done with our meal. It looks so good. So I'm going to call my uncle for him to taste it to check if it's tasty. So my friends will taste.
Hello, Prince. What's cooking? It looks delicious and sumptuous. What is this?
Spicy pasta I made for vacation meals.
So can I have my share of it?
Yes.
Okay. Are you sure you did it by yourself?
Yes, of course.
Okay. Let me try it first. Wow. I can feel the pepper and then The chopped onions. Oh, I like it. I like it. And the name again is.
Spicy pasta.
This is Chef Prince spicy pasta, and I like it.
See you next time on Chef Prince, and watch me live on TV Africa 3:30 p.m. every Saturday.